Dear students, welcome back to HTML and CSS lessons, and our today's lesson belongs to margin in border, and this is in CSS. So let's get started to learn CSS, a new property which is margin. I just double click to open this folder, and I already saved these two files to save time. So I just right click into and edit this with Notepad++, and this is the indexed file, and the other this one is syntax.css file. So these are two files that we created previously, and this is the basic HTML structure that we create previously. So let's get started to learn margin properties. So what is margin? Actually, margin is the property define the space around an HTML element. For example, this is a p tag or HTML element. When I just launch this with Firefox, you can see the space to the left side from this is, and the top space and below space and all the right space is known as margin. And we have different properties to set an element margin, such as margin bottom that define the bottom margin of an element, margin top that define the top margin, margin left that define the left margin, and margin right that define the right margin. So these are four different types of margins, or four different sub properties of margins. So let's get started to learn how we use margin and how to change the margin of all these four sides. For this purpose, I just go to the indexed file and go to the syntax file. In syntax file, we just select the piece selector and use different codes such as margin and assign a margin of 15 pixel, just like this. Close the property, and then because we are learning box model, or we just define box, so I just create a box around these heading 3 and p tag. So I just create a box for typing, or by the use of code which is border. So I just type the border property and assign the value is 1 pixel solid. Close this one and also close the CSS tag. Click into save. Now when we go back to Firefox and refresh this, you can see we have a border and also have 15 pixel space all around four different sides of this box, such as 15 pixel top, 15 pixel right, 15 pixel bottom, and 15 pixel left. When I just change this value just like 15 to 30% and 30 pixel, click into save. When we go to Firefox, keep it refresh, you can see we have 30 pixels all around. So I just create another all these things with h3 tag to make a clear view. So I just copy and paste this one and assign a selector h3, click into save. Now what happened? Now you have another box. See, we have another box which is h3 heading, and because all the properties assigned are same, so all the size and style is same. When we just change the properties, just like I just want to change the property of this one with the 15 pixel value, click into save, keep it refresh. Now you can see the space all around this heading is 15 pixels, and the space all around in the above heading is 30 pixel. So in this way we just change the margin. And on the other hand, if you want to change the all different sides separately, just like if we want to change top and bottom margin just only, then what we do, then we have to use 30 pixel as well as 40 pixel. Go to Firefox and keep it refresh. You can see top, bottom, and right left margin is changed. And when we want to change all four sides differently, just like when we want to change just like I just also create another um comment here to make a clear view. Then we have to top, right, left, top, right, bottom, and left. This is a specific pattern, so you just have to change all the value just like with this pattern, such as 15 pixel, 15 pixel top, 20 pixel right, 30 pixel left, bottom, and 40 pixel left. When I just click into save, go to the Firefox, keep it refresh, you can see we have more space in left size, which is 40 pixel, and we have less space into the right, which is 20 pixel. So in this way we can change separately each sides of this border. This is all about margin, and if you have any confusion, you can ask me and ask question. I will solve your problem. So thanks for watching.